Good morning, my students. Today we have plant project. We want to make bus craft. Okay, we have this orange rectangle, and then we have 3 yellow rectangles, and then 1 green rectangle. We have 2 circles for our wheels, and then this black long rectangle. Okay, and then of course we have glue to stick our parts. Okay, next, the first step is we glue for the wheels. We glue only on the top side. Okay, we stick here, and then we take again one more. After that, we stick it again. Next, like this. Okay, we take a long rectangle. Okay, we glue. We put around here. Yes, done. Okay, we take our 3 yellow rectangles and then we glue them. We arrange them. Oops, sorry. Okay, we take again. We give glue. Remember, don't make too much. Okay, one more. Okay, we put around here. The last, we take the green one. Okay. Okay, yes, done. Well done. This is our bus. And then later you can say, today we are making a bus. This is my bus. My bus is orange. My bus has 2 wheels. My bus has 3 windows. My bus is ready. Thank you.